What happens when your main supplier suddenly goes bankrupt or a new software update deletes your customer data? If your first reaction is panic, your quality management system is failing. Welcome back to our ISO 9001 clause by clause series. In our last video, we covered clause 5 and the power of leadership. But a great leader without a plan is just a visionary going nowhere. Today, we are breaking down clause 6, which is planning. There is where you stop firefighting daily problems and start fireproofing your entire business. Let's dive in. Clause 6 introduces the biggest mindset shift in the entire ISO 9001 standard. In the past, businesses would wait for the machine to break, a customer to complain, or a product to fail, and then they would fix it. ISO 9001-2015 eliminates that completely. Clause 6 demands that you look into the future, anticipate what could go wrong, and stop it before it ever happens. It covers three massive pillars: risk-based thinking, quality objectives, and managing changes. Let's look at the first and most famous pillar. Clause 6.1 introduces risk-based thinking. This isn't about creating a 100-page document of doom and gloom. It's smart business survival. You need to identify the risks that could derail your operations. For example, if you are running health and safety training for a leading aerospace manufacturing company in India, the risk of uncoordinated emergency drill isn't just an inconvenience. It could halt the entire production lines. The proactive actions, standardizing and simulating those procedures long before a real crisis hits. But here is the secret most companies miss. Clause 6 isn't just about bad things, it's about opportunities. So what are those opportunities? Are there new AI tools that could speed up your service? Is there a gap in the market you can expand into? Can you build better partnership? ISO 9001 doesn't force you to use complicated risk matrices if you don't need them, whether it's a high-level executive discussion or a detailed spreadsheet. You just need a system to identify the risk, decides how to handle them, and seize the opportunities. Now, we move to clause 6.2, quality objectives. Let me save you from failing your next audit. We want to be the best, or we want to improve customer services. They are terrible objectives, they are vague wishes. ISO 9001 demands that your objectives are measurable, tied to your overall quality policy, and relentlessly monitored. Who is responsible? What exact resources do they need? When is the deadline? How will you measure success? If you run a logistic company, your objective isn't drive faster. It is maintain a 98% on-time delivery rate this quarter. If you run a salon, it's a greet every walk-in customer within 60 seconds. When your objectives are hard numbers, your team knows exactly what winning looks like. Finally, we arrive at clause 6.3, planning of changes. Changes is essential for growth, but unplanned changes is a pure chaos. Have you ever seen a company roll out a massive new software system but forget to train the staff? Operations grind to a halt. ISO 9001 requires that any changes to your QMS is carried out in a highly controlled manner. Before you flip the switch, you have to ask, what is the purpose of this change? What are the potential negative consequences? Do we really actually have the resources to pull this off? Who has the authority during this transition? Whether you are expanding to a new facility, changing suppliers, or upgrading your tech stack, planned changes ensures you don't accidentally break your business's while trying to improve it. To wrap it up, Clause 6 transforms your business from a reactive victim of circumstance into a proactive strategic powerhouse. By predicting risk, setting hard measurable objectives, and controlling how you evolve, success becomes a planned outcome, not an accident. In our next video, we are moving to Clause 7, which is support. We will show you how to give your team the exact tools they need to execute these plans. If you want to build a QMS that actually drives your business forward instead of just creating the paperwork, our team at PopularCert is here to guide you. We provide expert consultation, training, and certification support built for the real world. Make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and visit popularcert.com today to start your journey. We will see you in the Clause 7.